8.6 in Algebra 2, we're taking our practice quiz. We have a very different scenario right now. We've got log equations. What you're going to see for number 3 is we have a logarithm equal to a logarithm in the same base. Plain and simple. Set the insides equal. And then you solve. Let's do that real fast. Well, minus a 4x. 6x minus 4x is 2x. This wipes out. We can add a 2 to both sides. We'll have 2x is equal to 11. And then we can divide by 2. And we get x is equal to 11 halves. Now, please be careful. What gets tricky with this is that even though this answer looks good, it actually might not work. We have to do a check. We're going to have 11 over 2. We're going to store that in for x. And let's just check this left side. We'll have log of 6x minus 2. Actually, you're going to get that decimal of 1.49. Most importantly, this logarithm exists. Right now, we could stop even and say, hey, we know we're going to be good, but we should check. Actually, I shouldn't say we should stop right there. You should be checking this other log on the other side. Log of 4x plus 9, you should make sure that that exists too. It does. It's 1.49 as well. What does that mean? The left side equals the right side. It means we've got our answer of 11 over 2. Honestly, if you just plug in your 11 over 2, and if you see that inside is positive, it's going to work. The only way you'll have to throw an answer out is if those highlighted expressions turn negative. Let's take a look at 3b. We're going to set 4x minus 5 equal to 3x minus 4. And we can solve that real quickly. Minus a 3x. 4x minus 3x is 1x. So if I gave you x minus 5 equals negative 4, all you have to do is add a 5. You'll have x is equal to 1. Now again, seems like everything's going great. We've got a nice simple answer. X is equal to 1. But let's double check and make sure this thing works. If I were to type in the log base 3 of 4x minus 5, you get no real answer. Why? Because the inside part here, when you let x equal 1, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. When you get a negative inside of that log, there is no solution. So always do a check. And that's it for problem 3.